Hello, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement, and today in this video we will be learning one more trick about Excel, and that is related to that how we can sum non-contiguous ranges of varying rows in a column. So as you can see in this example that we have classes, respective classes, names and their ranks, and we need to have a total of each class, and these are non-contiguous ranges, and we need to have a sum of that non-contiguous ranges. So manually we need to have a lot of time to do this kind of activity by having a total of each class. So either we need to have something called VBA macros we can apply, or we can simply use the built-in short techniques of Excel and make our work very easy. So let me just discuss the solution that how we can do that. This technique I learned from my financial modeling course, and there I learned about the sum function technique, that there are two approaches. Normally we use bottom to top approach when we do the sum. For example, if I write the sum function here and I select this range, so I'm doing top to bottom to top approach, right? So there is one more technique in the sum function which is called top to bottom approach. For example, if I select these numbers and one extra additional cell where I want the total number, so I will press Alt equals to, and the sum function will be executed. So this is called the top to bottom approach. So I will be applying top to bottom approach to have all these non-contiguous ranges total all together. So how we can do that? We need to have some certain steps in doing that. I will be using mouse to show you the formal options that where they are located. You can also use shortcut keys to minimize the time also. So let's get start. First I need to fill this column with the classes names. Okay, so what I will do is equals to cell C3 where my class name is located. I just call that name of the class. I will copy this formula and I will select this whole column, entire column till the end, and then I will go to Home tab, and in Find and Select, go to Special, and I will click on blanks, because on all the blank cells I need to fill the series. I am filling the downward series, and that will repeat every time when the criteria is changed. So I have selected all the blanks columns, and now I will go to Home tab again, and in the Paste Special I will click on formulas, that all formulas should be copied in the blank cells only. So this is how the I have filled the series downwards of each criteria when they are different, right? Now the next step is I will select this data and apply the filters. Okay, and in the filters I will just select the total and I will press OK. So now here we have two different kinds of total. The one is already highlighted in yellow colors and they are values, and the ones which are in white cells, they are the formulas and we don't need them. So what we will do is we will select this range, right? And now we need to also select the visible range also. I have selected the range, but I have selected the visible and non-visible cells. So first thing is that I need to select this range as a visible cells only. So for doing that I will go to again Home tab, go to Special and click on visible cells only, and now again I will go to Home tab, go to Special and click on formulas. So only visible cell, within the visible cells for cells which contain the formulas are selected, and I will press the delete key because I don't need them, and I will just open the filter area again. Okay, then I will select this column again, Control C for copy, and go to Home, Paste Special and paste it as a values because we don't need formulas anymore. Might be you are thinking that there are a lot of steps, but these are not lot of steps. You can use the shortcut keys easily and fast to minimize the time. Due to just video recording, I am telling you one step in detail. Okay, now what we need to do is Now we need a total of every class, right? So in the class column we will now just exclude the blank rows. Press OK. Now all our data is synchronized, and now select the rank column, which contains the numbers, and the blank rows where we need the total. So now we have selected this column, but again we need to first select the visible cells only. For doing that, go to Home tab, click on Go to Special. You can also use shortcut key Alt semicolon, you can say. That will be a shortcut key to select the visible cells only. So go to Special, Visible Cells Only, OK. And now what we need to do is, we need to press Alt equal to key. When you press Alt equal to key, automatically at the each of the section you will get the sum automatically. Now open the filter. So you can see that very easily, without any macros or complex formulas, you just use the visible cells technique, go to special technique, paste the special technique, and Alt equals to by the top to bottom approach to get the sum function. So in this technique you got the subtotal with the 9 number, which exactly behaves like a sum function also. So I hope you like this technique. Do share with others. Thank you.